Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my Ipsy Plus bag for March, so let's check it out. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is a $28 bag. It will have 5 products in it. They will all be full-sized. They will choose 2 for you based on your profile. You will choose the other 3 based on things that they have put in categories for you to choose from. In theory, also from your profile. And they say it will have a $120 value. I always like this bag because I think it's a great combination of skincare and makeup. Originally, I have none of my stuff in my bag. My bag is, oh no, it's not empty. I think maybe my card is in it. Yes, my card is in my bag. So this is the bag for this month. I always say, I love these bags. I think they are so handy to just tuck things in. If you're traveling, you could put like your clean undies in one of them, or you could use them for socks. If you have like kids, you could put shoes in here to travel with. Billions of ideas. I love these bags. The ones we get in our regular Ipsy Glam bag, they're fine. They're perfectly nice. I love these fabric bags. We have our card that says Power Moves, March 2022. But on the inside, we have no information. I just did my regular glam bag. We don't have information in that anymore either. So suspecting that, I went online and just made basically price notes. A couple of notes about each item and mostly the price, to be able to tell you the price, because I know everybody likes to know the value of the bag. I have 5 products, so we'll start with the ones that they chose for me. This one has perfect timing. It is the RNCO Velvet Curtain Cotton Touch Texture Balm. And it says Jenny Cho up here. Not sure what that means, but that is what that looks like. And it is 3 fluid ounces. I say this has perfect timing because I got my mom, if you watch my FabFitFun box, I got my mom one of the RNCO shampoos and she's loving it. And she asked if I had any other RNCO products that were like finishing products that you could use damp or dry. And I was like, I don't think I do. And this happened just a couple weeks ago, so I had completely forgotten that this was going to happen. And this is perfect. When I looked up the information on it, it says it leaves you with soft, touchable volume, texture, and hold, and you can use it on damp or dry hair. I mean, it's basically exactly what she asked for. It has a $34 value. I'm gonna go ahead and open it because we're gonna see how good it smells. I do also really enjoy the RNCO products, but you know what I don't need? Texture. My hair will not texture to save its life. I'm gonna say this, and I just said it in my other video, so go past really quickly if you just heard this information. I used the Lola V for the first time. This is just my regular hair, how straight my normal hair is. I don't have any frizz really. It left it really soft, really shiny, but I didn't use any other products in it. I just wanted to be able to show you guys what it did to my hair. So I didn't use any volumizer or anything. So this is what my hair does when it's just washed, has just those Lola V products on it and nothing to help with volume. Oh, that smells, would you like to smell it? It smells really nice, refreshing, clean. She's gonna love this. It's perfect for what she was saying she wanted. Yeah, I like that a lot. They chose that for me, or they chose it for my mom, which I think is also super sweet. Their second choice for me is this Iconic London Sheer Blush in Rose Riot. So that is what it looks like, and Rose Riot. I kind of like the idea of this. In the summer, you know, like if you're just running up to the pool or going out to the grocery store, you could be doing anything. You don't have to be going to the pool. And you don't want to do a full face of makeup, but you want a little something with color on it. This would be a really cute idea for that. Oh, it's very pretty. That's what it looks like on the inside. Let's see, Rose Riot sounds like me. Forgot to change my lips. This lip came in my regular Ipsy Glam bag, and it is a horrible color on me. I'm going to change that in just a second. Oh, I bet you need less than that. Oh, it's a very pretty color. I think it's going to be perfect for me. That is what it looks like. When I first start tapping it out, I like this. When I looked it up, it said it had a $25 value and a gel to watercolor texture. I'm just tapping it. I'm just going to keep tapping it out. I used way too much for especially one cheek, I am sure, but that is, I hope it's showing how nice and blushable it is. I think I'm going to like that a lot. You can't almost, I tapped it out too much. You almost can't tell that I used it, but I can tell here without the lighting when I look at my mirror. It feels, oh, it dried down too. Oh, it feels really nice. I am really happy to try this. I said that it melts down to give you a lit from within look. It doesn't look real lit from within to me. It looks actually, of course, like I said, I have the lighting, but it looks actually a little bit matte, and I don't mind that at all, but it did melt into my skin. Next out of the box, and I can't tell you how limited. I need to go back to writing down what my choices were, because I can't tell you how limited my choices must have been if I chose a micellar, because my skin is super sensitive and I seldom use micellar. Oh, you know what? I have been talking about this though. I keep these up here to like wipe off swatches when I go to wipe it off. And I had thought to myself, I could bring up a few of those rounds that I get that I use to take off like mascara and everything else before I wash my face. I could bring those up and reuse those with just a micellar water. That way I'd have less waste like I do with those. Granted, I've still got the plastic waste from this, but I bet this will last through several of these, especially if I'm using my own rounds. That was my thinking. So let's see what it smells like. It can't have a, oh. So apparently you pump it out from the top. Well, since I have it all. Great. It does not have much of a scent at all, which is what I wanted, because I can't have things up here with too much scent, I have discovered, especially to wipe off the back of my hand, because say I put on a makeup of some sort and then I wipe it off and the wipe has a lot of scent, and then the next thing you know, we're trying a hand cream, it affects the scent. So yay, this does not have much scent at all, and I am very happy about that. They said it had an $18 value, and yeah, that's what the top looks like. So I'll just pump, 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 and then wipe it off easy peasy. All right, I'm hoping my new plan works. So I'm gonna take a pen and put a date on here, and I'll see how long this lasts, because if I'm trading plastic for plastic, I at least have to know it's gonna last a little longer. Of course, I would also, in theory, be saving the actual wipe. Lots to think about. Next out, I will pick this probably every time it is offered to me. It is my favorite eyebrow pencil. It is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. They offered it to me in medium brown, which is perfect for me. This is what it looks like. One end, excellent, has the spoolie, and the other end has the very fine, and this is the beauty of this. It has such a fine tip to it. Can you guys even see how fine that tip is? And it just, you could draw individual lines. I'm gonna draw some in my little bit of blush right here. I'm gonna try and make it look like eyebrow lines so you guys can see. I hope that shows. I don't have my glasses on. I'm hoping that shows. Pull back a little in case that helps. But it just draws the finest lines, and I have to draw some of the fullness back into my brows and my tails. As you get older, you will, this might not even be true. As I have gotten older, I have discovered that my tails want to go away. They really want to go away, and it makes me sad. But in theory, you should be able to take your pencil, put it at the edge of your nose, point it up past the edge of your eye, and that is where your tail should come. And even the little bit that I draw in over here, I don't technically draw in well enough. But this is known for its ultra fine tip, and it has a $23 value, and I love it. Last but not least, I chose this, and it is the Bread Macadamia Oil. It is a 100% concentrate. When I looked it up, it said it was 100% cold pressed in Australia. Such a pretty bottle. I really love the way that looks. I just got a conditioner in this brand for curly hair that I've passed along to my curly haired granddaughter, that when I talked about it in the video, in the comments, people were like, best conditioner ever. So if you have curly hair and you're looking for a really good conditioner, while I cannot personally say that I have used it and offer that testimony, I can tell you that Bread had a curly haired conditioner that people loved in my comments, said best conditioner they'd ever tried. I mean, multiples of people. It has a $28 value, and it said it was a game changer for dry hair. I can't smell it at all. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand, but that's what it looks like. It's got a little stopper type thing in the top, so hopefully it'll just let, yeah, see, it's just gonna let a drop or two out. Perfect. I got one drop out of that. I love that. I mean, if I were downstairs and doing my hair, I could have more aggressively shaken it, but I don't think it has a scent. That's fantastic. I want to pull this through. No, I'm not. I'm making a couple more videos, and I want to pull this through the bottom of my hair so much, but I want to be able to talk about, I just used the Lullaby, and this is how it left me. But yeah, I don't smell anything at all. So that is what I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for March. A really good month as far as I'm concerned. I received this nice Bread Macadamia Oil. I'm using it hopefully to help with dry ends. I'm sure it serves many more needs than that. The Refreshments micellar water that I'm going to use up here for swatches. the RNCO, which is perfect for my mom to try, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, 2 thumbs up, can highly recommend, and the Iconic London, I just put the oil on it so it won't be a fair testimony, and the Iconic London blush, which it looks really cool. I have high hopes for this. I think that's a great box. I have a $128 value. It was $28. So I got a $100 bonus value, and I think it's totally worth it. This was a really good month for me. So let me know below what you guys think about this, what you guys thought about the bags that you got. I love that they give us so much choice because it gives us some control over what's in our boxes. Like I said, I probably chose this because the other choices in the category did not suit me. But as far as I'm concerned, I love it because I basically got like a cleanser, 2 hair products because they gave me one and I chose one, and 2 makeup. I love that mix. Thank you so much for coming by. Again, let me know in the comments what you guys think about this. I will put my link down below in case you have any interest in going over and checking Ipsy out. I am not in any way an affiliate with them. Just wanted to let you guys know that. I will start saying what I am and am not an affiliate with. If I don't say that I am, though, I am not. Life has been busy in the last week or so, and I've gotten really horrible at my comments. You guys know I respond to all the comments. I love talking with you guys, and I've gotten so far behind, and I keep thinking, and I haven't even done hearts because I want to come back and comment on all of them. So when I start commenting late, please show me some grace, but just know I'm reading them. I have read all of them. I just need to take the time to go back and comment. Anyway, thanks again, guys. I appreciate all the time you take to come over, watch the channels, talk to me about the bags. I will see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have new videos coming out, and take care. Have a great spring, guys.